What the? If you're like me, you probably wake up in the middle of the night and say to yourself, did I leave my garage door open? I also have a 16-year-old that just got his driver's license. He tends to leave it open. Or maybe there's an obstruction in front of the garage so that it opens by itself and you've already pulled away. I just ordered this garage door sensor off of Amazon. It was about 25 bucks. I'll put a link to it in the description in case you want to take a look at it. My locksmith company doesn't sell these, but because I'm having this particular problem, I'm going to install it, let you know how it works, tell you what I think about the product. Now, I chose this one specifically because it said it works with my garage door opener, so before you pick one up, make sure that it works with the garage door opener you have. Now, there's not much to these. Basically, this is going to connect to the garage door opener and it gives you the remote control so that you can open and close it from your phone. This one also works with Alexa and Google. And basically, you have a magnetic sensor and a wire that runs from there to your garage so that it can sense when it's closed. Now, one of the things you need to know here is this is not a camera. This won't let you see it. But I did do a product review on the Arlo home camera system. I really like that system. I've enjoyed it since I've installed it. So that's what lets me see my garage door so that I can check if it really is open and the sensor is actually operating correctly. If you don't have that, you have to trust the sensor. If you want to check out my product review of the Arlo camera system, I'll put a link for that down below in the description as well. I'm not going to go into all the nuances of connecting this. I don't want to bore you, but it's a perfect opportunity for a 10-second video montage. And that's it. A couple more zip ties to secure the cable and I'm done. I got this product on Amazon for right around 25 bucks and it gives me peace of mind so I know whether or not my garage door is open or closed. It even gives me a little visual indication in the app as to whether or not it thinks it's open or closed. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen this, see how short my emergency release cable is here? That's for a reason. Have you seen my video where I break into a home in 10 seconds using the garage door? If you haven't seen that, this is key. Check out that video. I'll put a link to it down below. Okay, so it's been about a week since I installed this system, and let me tell you what I think about it. I love it. It's absolutely great. I can set a timer so that it notifies me after a set amount of time that my door has been left open, but it'll keep the door open in case I'm outside working on my yard. I can also tell it after a set amount of time to automatically close the door if it's open. And one of the features I've discovered I really love is that I can have it automatically close the door if the door is open at a set time. So normally my kids are off to school and I'm off to work, so I've set it up so that if at 8 a.m. that door's open, it'll automatically close it and send me a notification. I've also got it set up to automatically close it at 11 p.m. So you could set multiple times to automatically close the door if the door is open. So far I'm really impressed with this. What are your thoughts? Have you ever worried about having your garage door open? Well, if you have, leave your comments down below. I'd be interested to hear them. I'm Robert, you're watching Locksmith Recommended.